Voila, welcome back to our channel, The Catalyst, the home of all solutions. So today's lesson is on updating and deleting records. And we are going to do that using the phpMyAdmin user interface as well as using SQL commands like update and delete, which are respectively used to update records and delete records. So without wasting time, we'll move to phpMyAdmin. Okay, so we have here our tables. We are to choose one of the tables where we'll do our update. Okay, we'll choose one of the tables. So I would like us to choose student table. So what we'll do is we'll take one of the students here. We are going to update the name of the student, just the name. So we'll take, for instance, Anna Tigri. We'll select it, click on edit. Click on the edit down here, not this one up, but the one down. So click on it, and then we'll move to the field name, that is subject name, student name, S name, which is student name. We are going to change the name to Anna Ngangfo. Okay, that's all. You can as well change the other fields, but we'll just, that's all. Anyway, let's also change the date of birth, maybe to something like this. Okay, and then we'll click on go, the one down here, go. Once we do that, you see this is the SQL command. Okay, this is the SQL command. Okay, this is the SQL command, and we can clearly see that the name has changed from Anna Tigri to Anna Ngangfo. You can clearly see here. Look at the records very well. Anna Ngangfo. It's no more Anna Tigri. And the date of birth has changed from the 1st of January 2020 to the 15th of January 2020. So for the update, it's okay. So we'll now move to deleting using the user interface, or the phpMyAdmin user interface. So we'll look at any of these records here and we'll delete one of them. To do that, we'll select this other one. Maybe let me go to subject. Let me take another table. Subject, I want to delete history. Okay, I'll select history, and then I'll move to delete this button here, not the one up here, because the one up here will delete the record, but it will not give you the SQL command. So if you want to delete, you click on this button, delete, and voila. So we can see here clearly it says delete from subject, where subject.subject code is equals to 760 or 760, which is the primary key of the subject table. Okay, so do you really want to execute the following query? I'll click yes, and once I click on yes, the record will be deleted. It says cannot delete or update a parent row. Okay. It's a parent, so we have to do it, but let's do the deletion in the junction table. Okay, so we'll just take any of these ones. Let's see. Okay, let's take this. We take this, we move down to delete, and then we click on yes. Voila, you see that the record has been deleted. So that is it about deleting and updating records using phpMyAdmin user interface. Now let's do the same. Let's update and delete using SQL commands. Now to do that, of course, maybe I'll start with update. Yes, update. I will still take this. Okay, I will still take this table. I'll still go to table offers. Now I want to update this record here, this last record. I want to update the subject code. I want it to be 795. That's computer science. So to do that, I will go to SQL. So here I'll click on update. Okay, now I will update offers. Set, the first thing is set SID. So SID will remain 6. Okay, I think that SID was 6. And subject ID will now move to 795. Okay, and number of hours, I think we do not need to change it. I think it should be 8 hours. Yes. Where now the condition, where what is going to be our condition? What is going to be our condition? So where we will say where SID equals to, so we'll copy, thank you, we'll copy where SID equals to 6. Okay, so once we have done that, we'll click on go, and voila. So if we go back to offers now, we'll see that the student with SID 6 is now offering computer science for 795. This is it. Okay, so update has been done correctly. So now let's delete. Maybe we'll delete one of these records. Yes, we'll delete the record with this other record here, the first record. Okay, we're going to delete it. So it has SID 1 and subject code 780. Okay, so we'll do that. To do that, we'll go up to SQL here, and then we'll delete everything. Move to delete. Okay, click on the button, delete. Delete from offers where SID equals to 1. Not just where SID equals to 1, because we have two SIDs equals to 1, but we'll say where SID equals to 1 and subject code equals to 780. Please let's check. Let me be sure before I delete something else. Yes, it was 780. So we'll go back, we'll delete this. So we've gone back to what we did before. So I just click on get auto save query. It will save automatically. So the condition is that we want to delete the record from offers table where the SID is 1, and the second condition, because there are two records with SID 1, so we need that one for French. Yes, we need but the subject code 7880. So to do that, I'll click on subject code here, and then it appears on the board there, equals to 780. So with that now, I can go down and click on go. Yes, I want to delete. It says, do you really want to execute delete from this disease? Yes, I'll click on OK. And voila, it has been done. So we don't have a record here with 780 again. Okay, so that is it about updating and deleting records in MySQL using phpMyAdmin. So we'll end here for today. We'll move to our next class. See you for our next lesson. And please, before doing that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. It will go a long way to encourage us. It will go a long way to spread the lessons to other viewers. Thank you very much, and see you in our next class. God bless you. Ciao.